Okay, it's all about Gypsy Fate. We had plans to go to Prime at Bellagio. We switched our plans. We went to my favorite restaurant in Vegas at Aria, Javier's, to have my favorite dinner, filet mignon and lobster. After dinner, it was a Sunday night, our last night, we decided to go play slots. I had $300 left. Holly had $600 left. I was feeling Buffalo, so we went to play Buffalo, and this is what happened. $2 bet on the Lightning Buffalo. Okay, hit it. Come on. Talk to us. Talk to us. Yeah. Yes. Come on. Oh, yes. 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 Come on, Buffalo. Yes. Oh my God. You're cute. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, we hit the ground. Oh. Oh my God, you guys! Look at me hit the ground! Yes! Oh my God! He hit the ground! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh! Guys, I'm shaking. Oh, look at this. Oh! Jesus! Oh my God! We're at Aria. We love Aria. Look at that! Oh! Oh my Lord! Oh my Jesus! Oh my Jesus! Oh my Jesus! Look at that, you guys! Oh! Oh, I'm shaking, Holly! I'm shaking! We did it! We did it! We did it! Oh my God, you guys! I'm shaking! I'm shaking so much! Oh my God! I'm shaking! Okay, this gypsy's out. We're gonna get paid. Okay.
All important.
Okay. Oh, yes. Oh, look at that 5 stack. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 6,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I'm sorry. 7, 20, 40, 45, 46, and 47.
And how much are the taxes off?
33.
And we got
20, 40.
77, 47.
How much?
77, 47.
Like 57.
Okay, and our taxes off are $3,320, and we'll get that back when we get back to Canada. Woo-woo! The gypsy is out. The machine has been on fire, and we upped our bet, of course. So let's go. Come on, Holly, drop that major. Come on, gypsy luck. Gypsy luck, baby. Come on. Let's go. Where's that major now? Come on. Come on, baby. Yes, keep going. Come on, keep going, baby. You knew it was coming. Come on. Come on. Oh, $1,000 one just went by. See that? Twice, Holly. It's in that fucking square. Come on, Buffalo. Did you see it? Yeah. Twice it went by. Woo! Yes! Add to the pot, baby. Gypsy luck. This gypsy is out. All right. I upped my bet. Holly left me. I'm chasing this, and I just got the minor for 100 on Buffalo. Let's go, baby. Come on. Squares with words. Tell me a story. Come on, baby. Oh, another mini. Yes. Come on. Let's go, baby. Yes. Come on, baby. Drop it like it's hot. Yes. Come on. Save it. Gypsy luck, baby. Gypsy luck. Yes. Look at this. Still on fire. She's still on fire. She's on fire, baby. Yes, coin show, Gypsy coin show. Let's go. She's on fire, baby. Gypsy luck. Gypsy luck. All right, this Gypsy's out. Okay, I just got the coin bonus. Right back to back. See what we get. Come on. Come on, Buffalo. Let's go. Come on, Buffalo. Coin, 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 coin. Come on. Coin us. Come on. Show the love. Oh, yes. Come on. And another one. Yes. 3. 42. Come on. Coin, coin, coin. Coin us. Okay, I got the feature. So the feature just re-triggered. So once I get done this, come on. Yes, coin, there we go. Come on. Coins. More coins, come on. Come on. Yes, more coins. All right, let's go, come on. Come on. Show the multipliers. Come on. Come on. Coin us again. Just a little something. It's only at 50 bucks. There, we re-triggered. Okay, 5 more spins. Come on. Gypsy luck, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh yes, we got some wolves. 3 times. Come on, coin, coin, coin. Squares. Squares and coins. Let's go, baby. Come on. Oh. Come on, 2 more spins left. Oh, come on, coin. Yes. Okay. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Multipliers. Come on, multipliers. Coin, 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 coin. Oh my god. Come on. Come on. 3 spins left. Let's go. Come on. 1 more. Come on. Oh, just about. Buffalo. There we go. 73. Now I get the feature. So let's see what we get. I don't know. We got the feature. So here we go again. Okay. Come on. Come on. We got elks. Oh, oh. Come on. Come on. Come on. Re-trigger, re-trigger, re-trigger. Yes. Okay. Come on. Re-trigger. Come on. Oh, re-triggered again. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Oh, come on. Give me those blocks. Oh, come on. Give me those blocks. Yes, there we go. We got the blocks. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Drop it like it's hot. We want squares with words. Squares with words. Come on, Buffalo. No, 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 no. Don't be nice. Oh, there we go. Come on. You love the gypsies. You love the gypsies. Come on. Drop it like it's hot. Come on. How about that minor up there? Come on. Yes. Okay, come on. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. How about another one? All right, come on. There we go. All right. Woo-hoo. And we're still in a bonus. Come on. We got 4 spins left. Come on, coin, coin, coin. Yes. More coin, more coin. More coin. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Yeah. Oh, I thought it was a coin. Come on. Do it now. Oh. Come on, coin. Come on. We got 3 left. Do it. Yes, we got it again. We got it again. All right, let's go. Come on. Come on, where's your words, baby? Show me your words. Show me your words. Come on, Gypsy Luck. Come on, show me your words. How about that big words up there? Come on. Come on. Yes, come on. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. How about that? Yes. Last night at Aria. How about that? Champion. Come on. Coins. Coin, coin, coin. Oh, there we go. Bonus $438. Put in 100, got my ticket up to $835. Thank you very much. Oh, there. Oh, I pushed the button and got it again. Okay. We're on fire. What can I say? Oh my God. Come on. Come on. How about some words? Oh my God, there was another mini. I seen a mini. Come on, bring your big blocks. Bring your big blocks. Oh, come on. Save it. Let's go. Come on. Yes. Yes. We want more. More. Yes. Do it. Yes. Come on. Let's make it exciting. Oh my God. Come on. Oh my God. Look at one more. Oh my God. Imagine if we did that twice. Woo. Yes, look at that. Wow. This gypsy is out. Look at that ticket. Gypsy, look. Gypsy's on fire. Okay. 2 more spins and look what I got again. Oh my Lord. Come on. Come on. How about we hear that major smack? Let's go. Yes. Oh my Jesus. We're on fire here. Come on. No. Let's go. One more. Oh my goodness. One more. Again. Come on, smack it. Imagine 2 in a row. Wow. I can't believe this fucking machine is on fire. Yes. Woo. All right, this gypsy's out. I'm gonna take it up to that now. Let's go. Thank you, Aria. Yes, tonight you are amazing as always. We're catching a cab and we hit $11,000. Now we're catching a taxi back to Mandalay Bay. fucking God. Look at this, you guys. Gypsy luck. I maxed out the 1888 and I got the major. Oh my God. Oh my God, Gypsy luck. Holy fuck. Oh my God. 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 Oh my God, you guys. Oh my God. I just won the max out major. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Gypsy luck. I'm shaking. I'm so shaking. I'm so shaking. And this is the machine that I count down early in the morning. 18,000. Yeah. Look at that. That's what I am at. Look at you guys. Oh my God. I'm shaking. I'm shaking. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. The luck is freaking real. Yes, it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Jesus. Oh my God. Okay. I'm so on the spins. Oh my jeez. Oh my God. Holy shit. Holy shit. I'm in the spins and look at this, you guys. Oh my God. Look at this. Come on. Come on. Do it. Oh, 9. Oh, come on. Come on, 3 more. Oh, Jesus. Look at this. Oh, sister. Oh my God. Come on. Oh my God. Oh, look at that, you guys. Gypsy luck. Gypsy luck. 20,000. Oh my God. Okay, you guys, I gotta go. I'm gonna get paid. Gypsy luck. I love all my viewers, all my Gypsy friends. I'm so happy. I came for the Rudies. I love your Rudy family. Thank you, Brian Christopher. If I didn't come to this, I would have never got it. Thank you. Gypsy luck.